In the name of God, who is most merciful and most gracious, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Strong voice in favor of Palestinians of Gaza is the topic which will be presented in this short program. Ireland got independence from UK in 1921. However, its north part, dominated by Protestant Christians, remained as part of the UK. After 30 years of disturbances between Catholics and Protestants, finally in April 1998, through Good Friday Agreement, hostilities came to an end in Northern Ireland. Sinn Fein is considered to be the most influential political party both in Republic of Ireland as well as in Northern Ireland. Currently, UK House of Commons has 7 seats for Northern Ireland, out of which 6 seats are with Sinn Fein. In Republic of Ireland, due to political and other differences, Sinn Fein broke into various denominations. Current government of Republic of Ireland is based on coalition among 3 parties. Sinn Fein currently the biggest opposition party in Irish Parliament. From 2018, Lady Mary Lou MacDonald is the president of Sinn Fein. During a party meeting, how she spoke for the Palestinians, you can listen and watch in the video. In the International Court of Justice also, the Ireland is in forefront for the Palestinian rights. The words spoken by Lady MacDonald indicate that Irish nation values the human rights from the core of their hearts. Alas, the nations who keep on advocating human rights and human values can also raise such a loud and strong voice for the rights of Palestinians, especially these days in Gaza. Now you can watch the words spoken by the Lady MacDonald.
We welcome the Palestinian ambassador. The Palestinian people have a right to their homeland. Having endured generations of dispossession, occupation, oppression, apartheid, human rights violations that should shake humanity, tonight, hell rains down on Gaza. Gaza, the graveyard of children. A child's life taken every 10 minutes. Israel claims to act in self-defense. Carpet bombing civilians, collective punishment, massacring children in their thousands is not defense. These are not justifiable responses to the horrific attack by Hamas on October the 7th. The world sees Israeli actions for what they are: barbaric, hateful, cowardly war crimes. This is a moment of reckoning for world leaders, for the European Union, a test of commitment to human rights, peace, democracy. We ask, where is the protection of international law for every child killed in Gaza, for every Gazan mother holding the cold body of their dead child? Israel cannot be allowed to commit atrocities with impunity. The government says that Israel's actions cannot be without consequences. I agree. That is why the Irish government must take the lead and refer Israel to the International Criminal Court and send the Israeli ambassador home.